21 minus 12 gives us 9. So 9 divided by 3, then times 4. 9 divided by 3 gives us 3, and 3 times 4 is just 12. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If you do this subtraction before this division or this multiplication, it is wrong. So first 12 divided by 3, which equals 4. So we have 21 minus 4, then times 4. No, we have one multiplication and one subtraction. Multiplication comes before subtraction. So 4 times 4, which equals 16. And 21 minus 16, which equals just 5. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 5.